So I'm out here in the Silicon Valley, home of the 034 Motorsports. I heard they rolled out their new TCU Kli Max Tune. I came out here to get my shit updated. So what I'm about to do is I'm finna go get a before video and then come back, flash the car, and then get an after to see what the difference is and to show the community what it's about. Okay, I think it's the location right here. Traction control off, 2300 RPMs. Let's see. Okay, so I'm driving the car now and feel fine. Just normally driving. Don't feel anything too special. The car felt good before, so we shall see. I'm gonna make my way over back to the spot. Look at this R6 from the street though, smashing. Sheesh. That was the homie Arturo's car. So we'll see. I'm gonna get back to the spot right now and do one more pull, and we'll see if the difference is felt or not. It should be though. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about this, and they've been ranting and raving. Plus, it was absolutely free. If you already had the software on the car, to update, it's completely free, especially if you have the new cable, or if you want to come up here and schedule a time to go see them, they'll do it for you. So it didn't hurt. So we shall see. We shall see. Okay, here's the same spot I was at earlier. See if I can turn my traction control off. Traction control is off. Put the car in sport mode real quick. Let's see, I'm launching at, again, 2300 RPMs. Let's see. Holy shit. Holy shit.